All right, so we've done 10, 11, and now we want to verify our interpolation for number 11 with 12. So that's going to require us to acquire the appropriate video. So you'll see that I'm just saying duplicate the file that has the interpolation to folder 12, post link here. But that's not all that you're going to do. You're going to actually do a little bit more. And I don't know why I don't have more than that. But you're going to do a little bit more than this. And so let's do that. Let's go to Dropbox. And in Dropbox, you'll see under number 12, okay, that we have another video that we need to bring down. And I'm just going to bring this down into Video Physics again. And let's go ahead and name it appropriately. So we have 1 millivolt brass Eric. Of course, we're going to set up our origin and our scale, take a snapshot of that. Now notice what's happening here. I don't have, excuse me, my rod here. I'm sorry. I don't have the ruler standing up here. So I have to use this rod, and this rod is, it turns out to, it is 0.455 meters, okay? So if you don't have a ruler in there, you can always go in and pull that down. So enough said on that one. Let me go ahead and take a snapshot here. I'm going to go back to points, and then we want to, I'm going to track the same piece of tape here, and it's the first piece of tape from the origin. You could track the second one. The angular velocity is going to be the same. So just going to track this around. And it's slower than the 1.8, but it's faster than the 0.61. So I'll probably go around twice. All right, that should be enough. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video with points to Dropbox, to that particular folder. And then we're going to investigate our template so we can see what else we need as far as in the ways of data collection. So I want to choose a different folder. We're going to go to folder number 12. And we're just going to choose that folder and then save there. And let's go ahead and grab that folder, I mean that photo, and upload. Let's change the name of that photo. And let's call this 1 millivolt origin and scale. Rename that. Now let's look at the angular velocity. So you see here we pretty much have something very similar. We have the 1.8 we have the 0.1, I mean the 0.61, we have the 1.8, we have our interpolation and our extrapolation just like we had before. And now we have a 1 millivolt, okay? That should be a capital V, not a small v. And then we have the percent difference. So it's going to all be calculated for. So let's go ahead and acquire these data sets and add them to this folder. And remember, we know where they are. They're in number 11. We've already done them. We know that they're CMBL files. So let's copy this CMBL file, the 61 and the 181. Don't move. If you move it, it's going to be gone. So you'll forget. Copy it. And let's go into number 12 and just paste it. And then let's copy the 1.81. It's 1-81 here because they don't like the, uh-oh, I put that in the same folder. Shoot. Did I do that twice? Nope. We could literally move this one now. But just to stick with it, I'm going to go ahead and copy it and then move it back to 12. All right. So if we go to 12, we have all of our data sets here. Okay. The only data set that we don't have is the 1 millivolt. So we did upload the video, we did upload the origin and scale, and we've placed these two data sets in. So let's go ahead and grab our last data set, which is going to be on the video that we just did. So it should open shortly, and then we'll have this convert and edit pop open or become available. So let's go to 12. We see our data sets in there already. So we know what we need. So we have all of our data sets in here. And just as a final view, go to 12. We have all of our data sets in here. We have our template. We have 0.61, 1.81, and then 1 millivolt. So that will be great. We're going to end the video right now. This is our setup, experimental setup and data collection video. In the next one, we're going to do our analysis.